In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, tap on Display and Brightness and click on this switcher next to Automatic below Brightness slider. As you can see, my switcher is now blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by clicking on blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!